What's the meaning of AU? AU. AU.
AU. AU. AU is an abbreviation commonly used to represent the astronomical unit, which is a unit of distance equal to approximately 149.6 million kilometers. It is primarily used to describe distances within our solar system, such as the mean distance between the Earth and the Sun. The use of this unit simplifies astronomical calculations and helps astronomers communicate distances more easily. Understanding the concept of AU is important in understanding the scale of our solar system and its celestial bodies.